Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa bagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about the Pagibig MP2 Savings. So first, a quick background sa MP2 Savings. So this is the modified Pagibig 2 Savings Program, which is a special voluntary savings facility with a 5-year maturity designed for active Pag-ibig Fund members who wish to save more and earn higher dividends in addition to their Pag-ibig regular savings. So if you're currently employed, then you are contributing to your Pag-ibig regular savings. However, itong MP2 is a voluntary savings program. So you have to make an account and enroll on your own. So here are the key features of the MP2 savings. So first one, it's easy to save as members can save for only a minimum of 500 pesos per remittance. It earns higher dividends than the Pag-ibig regular savings. Third, Pag-ibig Fund sets aside at least 70% of its annual net income and credits it proportionately to its members' Pag-ibig savings as dividends. This means that the more you save, the higher dividends you shall earn. So yung 5-year dividends ng Pag-ibig MP2 is a little bit higher, no? So back in 2019, it was 7.23%. Then 2020, 6.12%. Then 2021, 6%. 2022, 7.03%. And last year, 2023, 7.05%. And the good thing here is yung dividends are tax-free and can be withdrawn annually or after the 5-year maturity. But in my opinion, mas okay na kunin yung dividends after the 5-year maturity para nag-compound yung mga dividends along with the capital na nilagay mo dito sa MP2 savings. And then lastly, MP2 savings are government guaranteed. So you can have that, added peace of mind. And then also the barrier to entry is really low kasi yung minimum savings nga na pwede mong ilagay is 500 pesos lang. There is also no limit to the amount of savings that you'd like to add to your MP2 account. You can save as much as you want. However, should you make a one-time savings that exceeds 500,000 pesos, you shall be required to make such remittance via personal or manager's check. So that is a bit of a hassle. So probably you can just put in chunks. You can use GCash. That is actually the cheapest way. Kasi if for example, debit card or credit card yung gagamitin mo, then merong fee and tumataas siya every like 5,000 pesos or every 1,000 pesos. I'm not sure. But yeah, the best way is to just use GCash and 5 pesos lang fixed yung fee kahit pa anong amount yung ilagay mo. And then members with MP2 savings of above 100,000 pesos shall be required to submit a proof of income or sources of funds based on the checklist found in the MP2 savings enrollment form. And lastly, you may also open and maintain multiple MP2 savings accounts. Now, let's get started with opening a new MP2 savings account. I personally have one already, but I want to create another one. And para din ma-document natin yung process. So before getting started, dapat meron ka ng Pag-ibig membership ID or MID number. So if wala pa, you can apply like to your nearest, I think that's the easiest way, nearest Pag-ibig branch or pwede mo rin gawing online. And then one valid ID. So yung mga identification cards na they accept is yung PhilID or Philippine Identification Card. And then you can use your passport. I personally always use my passport kasi yun lang din yung valid ID ko na meron like physical form. And then PhilHealth can also be used. And then, for example, if you're a senior citizen, then you can use that. Voter's ID, Postal ID, Police Clearance, and NBI Clearance. So, marami naman silang accepted. Driver's license is also there. So marami silang ina-accept na valid IDs. So you may choose any one of these and yeah, you can start applying. Then selfie photo showing your ID card. So ganito na example. So magsa-selfie ka lang kasama yung ID na gagamitin mo. And yeah, you're good to go. Then proof of income or source of fund. So for example, employment income, so payslip yung ibibigay mo, savings or deposit, so bank statements reflecting your balance, and then property sale, contract of sale, and then sales of shares or other investments. For example, may mga stocks ka na nag-take profit ka na, then you can use that. Loan, so loan agreement, but I would advise not to do that. Mag-loan ka to like put it here sa MP2 Savings. So usually mataas yung interest rate sa mga loans na to. So hindi mo ma-beat, no? And hindi guaranteed na ma-beat mo yung interest rate na nilalagay ng mga, for example, banks dun sa loan mo in comparison dito sa, savings mo or sa investment mo. Company profits or dividends, so same thing. May mga stocks ka na hino-hold. Kung bibigyan ng dividends yun, pwede mo rin gamitin. Company sale, contract of sale, gift. So, for example, may nag-donate sa'yo or may nag-gift sa'yo ng pera. So, maturity surrender of life policy. So, this is for like insurance and other income sources. Appropriate supporting documentation. Right, so let's get started here. Click natin proceed. So, lagay ko lang dito yung med number ko. Then, last name, first name, and date of birth. So, I'm just gonna skip this one. Siyempre, kayo, i-fill out nyo rin to on your own. But, I'm just gonna skip this one para hindi ko ma-share sa inyo yung mga personal info. Just, for my security as well. After that step, pupunta ka na dito. Magsasend lang ng OTP sa phone number mo. And then after that, makikita mo na tong page na to. So nasa taas yung personal information mo. And then dito yung dividend payout, 5-year and term. Then yung membership classification ko is active Pagibig 1 member. Then yung mode of payment na pinili ko is through any accredited Pagibig collection partners. And then source of funds is employment income. Then yung desired monthly savings ko is 5,000, let's say. Then let's click on proceed. So ito, submit your enrollment. So kailangan ng one valid identification card with photo. Then yung selfie photo, kailangan mo ring upload yun. And then source of fund or proof of income. So na-discuss na naman natin itong mga to earlier. So you can just refer to that or go to the Virtual Pagibig website para makita yung checklist ng mga accepted na IDs and sources of fund or proof of income. Na-upload ko na yung passport ko. So, yun yung valid ID ko. And then yung selfie photo while showing the front of the valid ID. And then yung source of fund ko. So, payslip ko lang nung October 2024. So, click lang natin yung submit. And then click OK. And then, it's done. Ito na. Sabi natin, if you're applying for an MP2 savings account, we are now processing your application. Please expect a text message from us informing you of the next step to open your account. Then for reference, here is your MP2 savings enrollment tracking number should you wish to track the status of your application. So it's that easy. So for me before, I think it took a couple of days, so probably 3 to 4 days, 3 to 5 days bago na process bago na open yung MP2 savings account ko. And yung dineposit ko doon initially is 50,000 pesos. So that covers like 10 months na agad. Kasi yung desired remittance ko rin doon per month is 5,000 pesos. So okay lang din naman na makamiss ka ng contribution. It's really up to you kung gaano kalaki yung contribution na ilalagay mo dito every month or sabihin natin every quarter if that's easier. Oh yeah, you can also add it as a salary deduction. So you can just talk to your HR or payroll specialist sa company or sa business na pinagtatrabahuan mo and then they can process that for you. But for me, mas convenient na ako na yung nag-a-add para hindi siya like for example dinededuct every month kasi meron din akong allotted na capital, for example sa stocks, sa ETFs and sa crypto. So kung may extra ako, dito ko ilalagay sa MP2 Savings. So yep, it's really easy and hopefully you learned something from this video. We will end here, guys. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.